I'm Thomas Smith, and yesterday, for reasons I don't fully understand, my backyard hens laid the tiniest egg that I've ever seen. This is a chicken egg. It's not a quail egg or an egg from another bird. It is a chicken egg, but it's just really, really tiny. So for comparison, here's a normal size egg. And you can see it's probably about a third the size of a normal egg there. So really, really teensy chicken egg. And why did this happen? My best guess is some of the hens were a little bit low on calcium, and they had either stopped laying or they were laying some eggs with weak shells. So I started supplementing their calcium with oyster shells. And somebody who wasn't laying probably started up again. And often when they first start laying, or they start laying after a break, their first eggs are going to be weird. Small or weak, or sometimes double yolks. So I think that's what happened here. Somebody probably is now no longer having a calcium issue and is starting to lay, and this is just the first attempt. So tiny chicken egg here. I'll probably fry it up and see what it looks like on the inside.